Hi, my name is Phil Giordano, and I'm here to talk to you right now about what's called a life settlement. Simply put, a life settlement is the actual sale of a life insurance policy for an amount in excess of any cash value in the policy. And for me to illustrate this point, let me just give you an example of a family that we recently helped out. The individual was an 81-year-old male, and he had a $750,000 life insurance policy that he had paid on for around 12 years. That $750,000 life insurance policy had about $20,000 of cash value in the policy. We looked at his policy and evaluated it, and were able to determine and find a funder that was willing to actually pay $101,000 for his policy. So his choices were this. He no longer wanted to pay the premiums any longer, so he could either take the $20,000 of cash value in the policy from the life insurance company, or work with us, which he did, and help him sell the policy, in which he received $101,000. Obviously, the math is a no-brainer if you no longer want to pay those premiums and want to receive some cash for the policy. However, you might be saying, wait a second, that's $750,000 policy and he only received $101,000. That's correct, but once the policy's sold, he is now no longer responsible for paying those premiums any longer. And those premiums were around, for that particular policy, were around $40,000 a year and increasing. As you get older, if you didn't know this, those premiums on life insurance policies get very expensive. So if this is a foreign concept to you, don't worry, it's foreign concept to most people. But if you'd like to learn more, just email me. My email is Phil, P-H-I-L, at S like strategic, F-I-N, like in financial, the first three letters of financial, s.net. So that's Phil at sfins.net. Shoot me an email. If you have an advisor, I'd be happy to talk with them as well and work with them so you can evaluate your policy and see if a life settlement could be a right option for you. It's not like every senior with a life insurance policy works. You can't just go out and sell. But if you have a policy, you're tired of paying on it, it's worth it to at least evaluate to see if a life settlement might be a good option for you. Again, my email, Phil at sfins.net. I look forward to hearing from you.